Hi there, this is Corey. I'm at Porsche Colorado Springs. It's another gorgeous sunny day, and behind me I've got a 2014 Porsche 911 GT3 in Sinister Triple Black. Let's take a closer look. Okay, here we have a 2014, so 991.1 generation 911 GT3 in black on black on black. I actually really like the way this car looks. I kind of swore off black cars a long time ago because they were so hard to keep clean, but that was before ceramic coating existed, and this car does have a ceramic coating and it has some paint protection film, which I'll point out to you. And it only really took a light rinse to get it looking fantastic for the camera. So maybe I should give a black car another chance, because this looks really good. It's one of those things where it's like, I wouldn't have spec'd this car out this way, but now that I see it, I really like it. So anyway, let's take a look at the spec sheet. This has quite a significant build sheet, and I don't want to forget any of these significant options. So this has the leather and Alcantara interior in black with red, or guards red stitching, I should say. Extended range fuel tank, LED headlights with the PDLS Plus, that's a big one, has the clear tail lights, auto dimming mirrors with rain sensor, ceramic composite brakes, so PCCBs, front axle lift, so two really huge options there, black gloss wheels, sport chrono clock in white, seat belts in guards red. Oh, it does, okay, for some reason I thought it had black seat belts. Leather interior package with decorative red stitching, carbon fiber interior package, center console trim in carbon fiber, door sill guards in carbon fiber, illuminated pedals and footrest in aluminum, PCM with navigation, Bluetooth. Wow, Bluetooth was an option back then. That's so funny. Sport chrono package and HD radio receiver. Yeah, 2-pager on this one. Original sticker was 162,040. I think pricing is still TBD on this one, or I would tell you what it is. Just about 12,500 miles on this car, so used sparingly. And for those of you who know 991s, I don't actually know these cars super well myself, but apparently the engines were kind of a problem on these. So a lot of them were replaced under recall or while under warranty. This one has had its engine replaced, so it's not the early iteration. It's not the last iteration of this engine. I forget, there's some number system that denotes what generation of engine it is. It's not the absolute last one, but it is sort of I think midway through the production, so I don't think there's anything to worry about on this car. So gloss black wheels look fantastic. It does have a fresh set of Pirellis on it. They look a little brown. The car needs to get detailed, but no, these are new Pirelli P-Zeros, ceramic composite brakes, as I mentioned, with those big bright yellow calipers sticking through. Looks beautiful. It does have the clear European side markers. That's kind of a requisite. Here's your paint protection film going up the hood and fender edges, and it's also on the mirror caps. Take a little walk around. Clear taillights look fantastic on this. Porsche and GT3 logos in black, so all very subtle. Here's our center exit exhaust. Just a gorgeous car. And here is our black interior with those deviated red seat belts, guards red deviated stitching, GT3 on the headrest, Alcantara. This is before Porsche called it Race Tex, I think, but it's Alcantara, synthetic suede, if you will. There's beautiful carbon fiber on the center console, on the dashboard, continuing on to the door panels with that nice leather and guards red stitching. Just this interior is fantastic. I was never a huge fan of the 991 when it first came out because I owned a 997. So I was like, the 991's too big. But then when the 992 came out, you know, I've kind of softened to that obviously a little bit. Let's go ahead and fire it up. I'll read off the mileage to you. And yeah, these are representing really good value in the GT3 market right now because, you know, the number doesn't start with a 2 or a 3. Price-wise, that is. 12,534 miles on the odometer. So enjoyed very sparingly. I can't believe this car is 12 years old. It's unbelievable. Beautiful leather dash. There's your sport chrono clock in white, that dial matching all of the instrumentation here on the gauge cluster. 7-speed PDK gearbox. Only transmission these came with. Okay, that's our 2014 911 GT3. It revs to $9 grand. What more do I need to say? If you're interested in learning more about this specific car, please give me a call. My direct line is area code 719-219-5015. You can also reach me on my socials. Please like this video, leave a comment below, and consider subscribing if you'd like to see more sports car content from Cars and Corey. Thanks for watching.